This is how I replaced my stock KS18L pedals with the bigger, improved pedals from Jason of eWheels. Side by side. Amazing. Yep, it's a number 5 here on my Allen wrench. Number 5. Here it is. There it is. Let's try the other side. Tough. So it looks like the portion where there's the K in King Song, this one of these things, okay, one of these things here goes to this side, and it looks like the rounded part will go in. So it's only one of these that fit into there. So based on what I've seen other people do it, it's best to put it in when the pedals are down. So this is what Ulf was referring to. Clamping, if you clamp the feather, you won't have as much resistance and the pedals will go down easier. So that's what he meant. Very nice, man, very nice. So now let's try the other side. So you need at least a 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch. It works. 2.5 inch works. Okay. 2.5 inch hex key. Allen wrench, and you need the number 5. The number 5 metric. 5 millimeter. Let's try the other side. I'm using the padding from my King Song box to prevent scratching my floor. It's a lot easier now, knowing what to expect. I just use like one of the connectors to my screwdriver to pop it out. It's about 5 inches, 4.5 inches. I think 6 inches would have been just right. That's what she said. All right, so I'll pop it out. I'm gonna pop it out. Here it is. Put on the other one. So then I use this longer one again. I'll use this longer one to screw it in. So it looks like I don't have to put anything on the other side. Based on what the other people have been saying, I don't need to. That's what I hear. You only need to put one of these lug screws. All right, and that's about it. About 25 minutes to install. Not bad. Well, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe.